Hey guys, Coffee and Diamonds. Coming to you with a quick little video. I got a subscription in today, and I wanted to go ahead and show y'all what was in it. Yeah, so just one moment and we'll take a look. Alright guys, I'm back. Had to move some stuff. But anyway, pardon the camera moving. I got a Maxim today, and I wanted to open it, so I figured I better, do a video. So, yeah, let's get it opened. My scissors. Making some more keychains for the shop. So, anyway, get it open. There's a couple of holes in here from shipping, but so again, it's Mary Maxim Knit Club of the Month, and I didn't pay for the express shipping this time, which is like I think $3.99 or something like that. I don't know, but we'll see what we got. Ooh, it's a big one this time though. Alright, let me pull this out so I can tell you how much. $18.99 plus $4.99 shipping. You can add another little thing to your cart and get, like, I think express shipping for like $3.99, $4.99, whatever. So now that that's gone, I do see some pretty yarn. Let's see what pattern we got. Alright, we got the Ribbed Wave Lapgan. You see it? And the yarns are in the back here. Looks like we got 2 skeins of each color. We got a, let's see, let's get her open. Pretty colors, pretty colors. Right, so we got 2 of the Atlantis colored Hello Gorgeous Red Heart. I don't think I've ever seen this one, but anyway, there we go. It is a 4-weight. Okay, so we got 2 of those. And we got 2 of the soft white Red Heart Super Saver. Right there, and mostly everybody knows what Super Saver looks like. That's the soft white. And we also got this Burnett Premium. This is nice. I like this. It is Yarnspirations Burnett Premium in the color Gray Marl. Let me find some here. There is so soft, guys. Like really soft. Okay, right there. Oh, that's pretty true to color, I reckon. But yeah, very, very soft. I like it. So, since I am not an Afghan kind of person, I do believe I'm going to do a giveaway. I was going to do a giveaway with my last one, but I didn't get enough comments about it, so I figured nobody wanted it. Anyway, so this is the pattern. And this is the stitch right there. It is pretty cool that the colors they give you match the pattern this time. Okay, so knitting needle, looks like a size 10. It may work up pretty quick. It looks like really all you need is, I would say this is an intermediate, maybe not a fresh beginner, because you have to know how to knit two together, decrease, increase, stuff like that. But anyway, so it should make a size 41 by 46.5. So yeah. Okay. So what I'll do is, if I can get the pattern back in there. If y'all hear any noise, there was a stray kitten running around and I brought it in to give it food, and my cat is not happy at all. So, but anyway, yeah. So this is the Mary Maxim Knit Club of the Month. Again, it is $18.99 plus $4.99 shipping. Usually ships a little closer to the end of the month. It is the 30th. But yeah, I live in Tennessee and I get mine within 2 days of it shipping. So it's pretty quick after that. But anyway, so I'm gonna put a so let's do it this way. If you want to be entered to win this kit, in the comments I need you to put how about you put the name of this yarn down in the comments. That way, yeah, so because giveaways are finicky sometimes, so usually have to ask the question. So what is the color of this yarn? It's in the video. Okay, but anyway, yeah, it's in the video. Anyway, guys, appreciate y'all watching. If you want to see more unboxings and possibly some how-to keychains, crafts, and stuff like that, go ahead and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And just remember, tell people in your life you love them, because you never know if you're ever going to get another chance. All right, guys. Bye.